跟住 chemistry pair 1B 第10條嘅 long quote 啦，咁係條 essay 嚟嘅，應該係一條4+1嘅 essay 嚟嘅。咁咧佢就話啦，俾咗啲嘅 common 嘅 laboratory apparatus 俾你啦，咁亦都有個 calcium carbonate 俾你啦，咁同埋咧有個 HCl 俾你嘅。咁佢就問你啦，點樣去 perform 嗰個 Ferrier comparison to study 嗰個 effect of 個 concentration of 個 HCl 咧，按嗰個嘅 rate of 嗰個 CO2 production 咁樣。咁啊，首先咧我哋就可以講下究竟我哋點樣去知道嗰個嘅 rate of production of CO2 係點樣先啦。咁我哋可以講翻嗰個嘅 methods to 即係 follow the progress of reaction 啦。咁今次講出咗 CO2 喎，咁應該點樣 follow 咧？咁譬如你可以話係 measure 翻嗰個 CO2 volume，即係 produce 嘅 volume 啦。咁譬如你可以話因為 CO2 escape 咁，所以就你可以 measure 個 mass 啦，或者 measure 個 pressure 咁樣都可以嘅。咁譬如今次我就寫話我 measure 個 volume 先算啦。咁答翻佢啦，就 measure 嗰個嘅 volume of 嗰個嘅 CO2 produced 或者個 gas produced。咁咧就 using a gas syringe at regular time interval。係咁要提到 at regular time interval，因為你唔係淨係做一次噶嘛。係啦，咁你會做幾次咁，你先係即係真係比較到佢唔同時間嗰個嘅progress 係點樣噶嘛。咁所以你一定係 at regular time interval 嘅。好，咁之後咧，咁講完嗰個點樣去知道嗰個 rate of production of 個 CO2 之後咧，咁之後就可以講一講我哋真係點樣去即係做翻嗰2個 trial of 嗰個 experiment 啦。咁基本上我哋就係要有唔同嘅 HCl 嘅 concentration 啊嘛。咁因為佢淨係俾咗1m 嘅 HCl 俾我哋，咁我哋點可以製造到唔同 concentration 啦？咁應該就係去 dilute 咗佢啦。係啦，咁有啲 candidate 就寫咗話咩用2m HCl 同埋用1m HCl 咁樣，咁但係人哋都冇俾個2m HCl 俾你。咁所以其實基本上咧，應該最好嘅方法咧就係答翻佢啦。dilute 嗰個嘅 HCl 咧係 to 一個嘅 different 嘅 known concentrations。咁樣咯，咁啊擺 adding water 咁樣咯。係咁，最緊要你講到 dilute 啦，係啦。係啦，咁之後咧就答翻佢啦。咁咧就 repeat 翻個 experiment 啦 ，with 嗰個嘅 dilute 咗嗰個 HCl 啦。係啦，咁因為佢上面話 Ferrier comparison 啊嘛，咁所以其實基本上我哋要講翻我哋點樣 fair 法啦。咁譬如你可以話譬如嗰個 temperature 係一樣嘅等等，即係你要講翻一個 condition 係不變咁樣咧，咁你 state 翻咧，譬如你話 temperature 不變，係啦咁樣咯。咁其實基本上做個 point 係 Ferrier comparison 嗰個 point 咧，咁基本上就算佢唔特別提你係 Ferrier comparison，其實你都要做㗎啦。如果唔係，其實你 study 唔到嗰個 effect of 個 concentration 㗎嘛，因為你有超過一個嘅即係一個嘅轉變咗嘅 factor 啊嘛，係啦，咁所以就一定其實基本上佢唔同你 mention 係 Ferrier comparison，其實你都要講㗎啦。咁啊成條大概係咁啦，咁喺度純粹 point form 咁啊方便大家睇㗎嘛。到時大家寫 essay 就唔好咁 point form 啦，因為會有機會扣個 communication 嘅。咁我睇睇個 marking 啦。咁呢條咧就講到。